Hi, I'm David Toman, the author of Nootropics Expert and this YouTube channel, and the book Secrets of the Optimized Brain, which is available as a free download, and my big book, Head First, the second edition, which is available from any major bookseller worldwide. And I'm glad you're here. Because if you're struggling with autism or anxiety or depression, ADHD or ADD, OCD, traumatic brain injury or concussion, PTSD, or any of the other brain health issues we humans battle with, then you're in the right place. On this channel, you'll find hundreds of videos and all the best nootropic supplements used in the world today. I do my best to distill the latest complex neuroscience and translate it into plain English that is hopefully easy to understand. Each individual supplement review includes what it is, where it comes from, how it has traditionally been used, and what we use it for now. You'll learn the cognitive benefits for each supplement, how it works in your brain, how you should use it or the recommended dosage, the potential side effects and drug contraindications, as well as the best forms or type to buy if you want to try it. Sometimes I'll even suggest the best brand of that supplement to buy. Now, if you're looking for a particular supplement, please use the search bar up top, and you'll easily find that video. You'll also find videos on this channel for the best supplements to use to help you deal with whatever brain health issues that are messing up your life. Everything from autism to OCD to longevity. Again, you'll find it on this channel. This channel is here to help you to improve your life and support you with whatever you're going through. All of the information you'll find on this channel is backed by peer-reviewed clinical studies and the latest in neuroscience. You will not find me referencing other so-called experts here, just what the science says and what people in our community says it feels like when they use it as a supplement. Nootropics don't need to be complicated. They are simply dietary supplements that help the human brain. You can get any of the nootropic supplements I talk about on this channel at your local vitamin shop or health food store. You do not need a prescription to get any of these supplements. If you have any questions, please use the comments section under each video. I'll do my best to get to the comments as soon as I can. And I also do consultations. So if you're frustrated or having trouble trying to figure out which supplements you should be using, I can help. Spend an hour with me on the phone or a Zoom call, and we'll get you back on track to feeling better in no time. You'll find a link to my calendar down below in the notes section under this video. And please subscribe to this channel before you do anything else. It doesn't cost you anything, and it helps YouTube to suggest this channel to others who are dealing with the same issues you're dealing with. So thanks for stopping by, and I hope you get the answers you've been searching for. It's all right here on the Nootropics Expert YouTube channel.